Why Onichuku language never influence Igbo people? Why Onichuku language never influence Ukuzu people? Make them forget their language. So if Aniocha language no fit no fit influence Olukumi people, it no fit influence Ukuzu, it no fit influence Umodu, how come Igbo language can influence Bini language when it be say at the end we no call they speak Bini at all for Eseluku? That is a food for thought. Say this video what I want to do so if it dey painful and a lot of people feel they disappointed, but the truth be say I'll continue to say the truth until my people open their eyes. I was born in Benin City. Yes, now Benin they born me. My early life now for Benin. But as an Eseluku man, a Benin man no see me as a fellow Benin man at all. Instead they go say Igbo no. Then to mock us, they'll say that they chop akpu. Then they chop akpu. Igbo no, then they chop akpu. Now, a lot of my brothers, they claim say we come from Benin. Yes, that's waiting a lot of them, they claim. If Eseluku come from Benin, wetin we dey share in common with Benin? A question why they ask, what do we share in common? My brother Victor Ifechukwu de Eguyenga will always tell me say we are from Benin. We don't argue, so they can't tell me say we are just Eseluku people. We are Anioma. Anioma is a political statement. If you don't know it now. Anioma is a political statement. The real name for our region is Enuane. If I wajimala ibu Enuane, Eyabuga Enuane, Otega ibu Enuane. Before in 1951, Osadebe come bring acronyms of Aniocha, Oshimili, Eka, and Undukwa. Then they take from Anioma. So at the fathom, at the struggle. As I did, so I see the struggle to believe, say, I be Bini. But it doesn't add up. Say Lukuna Bini. It no add up. You cannot tell me that a whole people will come and their language go change totally. Now let me tell you something. If you say because they were influenced by Igbos, that is why the Bini language changed to what is now Aniocha. I don't agree with you because see, the Olukumi people there around us for centuries talking about Ubodu and Onichuku they share boundary. Ukuzu and Onichuku they share boundary. Why Onichuku language never influence Ubodu people? Why Onichuku language never influence Ukuzu people? Make them forget their language. So if Aniocha language no fit no fit influence Olukumi people, it no fit influence Ukuzu, it no fit influence Umodu, how come Igbo language can influence Bini language when it be say at the end we no call they speak Bini at all for Eseluku? That is a food for thought. Please respond on the comment section. My name is Christopher Belushi, aka Belushi Wamama, aka Anioma First Son, aka Area First Son, aka Our Bread is Better Than Buns. The only MC will still be virgin, the Tiaroba MC.